Hello and welcome to the first video in this year on this channel. So I want to thank all of you for subscribing this channel and supporting me, and this is a new video. I wanted to show you how you can make $1,000 a month or more with $0. All you need is one thing. You need maybe a small following or a community that is interested in the topic of day trading. So I will show you a possible income source for you to make over $1,000 a month or more or less. It depends on you, on how many people you can refer to this company. It's affiliate marketing, so you can start it with $0 and maybe you can make a full-time income of it. So the company that I'm talking about is WOAYEFBA. WOAYEFBA is a prop firm that gives trading a trading account. You can see it here. A $25,000 account, $50,000, $75,000 or a $100,000 account. So they have to qualify in these programs to get one of the account sizes that they have chose, and then they will get access to this funded trading accounts and can trade on a live account, and they have then to share the profits with the company. They will get 80% of the profit, and 20% will keep the company that they found them. So this is a great opportunity for everyone who hasn't much money for day trading, or for people who don't want to risk their own hard-earned money, so they can trade with other people's money and still get a nice and comfortable profit and income source. So you are thinking, okay, but why they should go and with this company or on my with my referral link? So because if they don't do it, if they go straight to the WOAYEFBA website, they have to pay this monthly fee, as you can see here in the video, and you will get a custom made referral link to you that will show you like this right here. So there are monthly discounts that the traders just get from a referred link. So this is now my referred link, and then you can see this month everyone who is referred by me, they will get 30% off, and that's recurring. That means it's a lifetime discount. So you also will get your personal referral link, and you can offer everyone who wants to join WOAYEFBA, or you use it by yourself, and then you will get the monthly discount. The monthly discounts are from 25% up to 50% off. So it varies from month to month. You will get updated by WOAYEFBA every month as affiliate what's the monthly discount. So that's the benefit why they should go with you if you refer the people to trade with WOAYEFBA. So that's the biggest point. So if you are interested to join WOAYEFBA as an affiliate, that you can make a side hustle or a side income, then just check the first link in the description and you can apply. Then you will go then you will get on this website here, where you have to fill out your first name, last name, your referral ID. You can choose one that you want. You can type in whatever you want here. Then you have to fill this everything out and your payout methods. And I just want to tell you, they pay you out every time, every month. And yeah, what I forgot to tell you, you get 15%, I think, of the sales. So if you get then 50% of the discounted price here, that's your commission. So as you can see here, all affiliates are welcome in our affiliate program. So you have nothing to lose. It's free. It costs you nothing. The minimum payout is $300. Then you can require a payout, and they pay out every month if you are reaching the $300. By the way, I've done it every month. So I think it's a great lucrative way to make a great side income that can be your main income. So just join in if you're interested. You have nothing to lose. It's free. Just put in the information and you can start promoting your affiliate link. So just check the first link in the description out, then you will get to the sign up page as an affiliate. So thank you for this, and we see us in the next video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I will answer you. Thank you.